In this video, you will learn about the 4 just methods of fine-tuning, translate, rotate, and scale. After selecting a layer, 4 blue buttons will appear in the display area. Respectively, you can control the rotation, zoom height, zoom width, and zoom width and height in the same proportion. The first is to translate. There are x-axis and y-axis. X-axis controls left and right translation. The y-axis controls the up and down translation. The first is to control by sliding the slider. The second is accurate digital control through direct input. The third is to move the material directly. The fourth type is controlled by the 2 buttons at the end of the slider. Then there is rotate, and the upper and lower limits are -360 to 360. It can be controlled by sliding the slider. You can enter the number directly, or you can enter a number that is not between 360. You can control it by the rotation button on the material, or you can control by the plus and minus sign at the end of the slider. The last is scale, and its upper and lower limits are -400 to 400. It can be controlled by sliding the slider. You can directly enter numbers. You can enter numbers that are not with. You can control by the buttons at the end of the slider. You can also click the same ratio button, zoom out of proportion, or directly in the material area zoom.